Hi guys, thanks for coming by. Birchbox today. Yes, Birchbox. I have not opened it. I have pulled all of the edges so that we don't have to spend 20 minutes with me opening this box because we all know I'm not a good box opener. And look how easy that was. And it's still in its pretty December box. It's very pretty. It's got nice gold on it and it looks very Christmassy. So let's get in here and see what we got for the month of December. I'm so excited. I have no idea. What's meant to be will find a way. This tells me what's in it, so I don't have my glasses on yet. We won't keep reading this. All right, we'll take the big thing first. Grab my glasses so I know what it is, because tragic, isn't it? Beachwaver Great Barrier Heat Protectant Spray. That's very cool. I don't ever think I've seen a heat protectant spray in an actual, is it aerosol? Let's see. This says, the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Spray is full size of this would be $28. And it says this high-tech hairspray does it all. Hairspray. So, not heat protectant. But it says heat protectant hairspray. I guess some people spray and then curl. Okay, we'll go there. High-tech hairspray does it all. It strengthens strands, offers flexible hold, and defends hair against damage from heat styling and environmental factors. So very cool. It's got a little cover. So I don't use hairspray very often. So having these little fellas around is really cool. Next we have Whish Lip Scrub. Vanilla Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. I am the queen of the drops. And this is 0.25 fluid ounces. And this says that the full size would be $20. Swipe this Birchbox exclusive scrub over your lips to slough off dead skin cells and smooth, or dry, or chapped lips. Well, I think that I will. Let's see. Oh, it smells kind of like the vanilla that they usually mix in with coconut during the summer. It smells almost like, is there any in here? I mean to tell you, I've got that thing squished flat and it's just now to the top. All right. Oh, I would say it's an oil-based. It's got a real, can you see that at all? I've got to do something about lighting. It's got a real oily feel to it. But yeah, I could see where this would, oh, it's very vanilla-y. Very nice. I could see where that would definitely exfoliate your lips. And that is never a bad idea around here in the winter because my lips get crazy chapped. Okay, next we have Sunday Riley. I can see that. C.E.O. 15% Vitamin C Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This is a tiny little, one of the people that I follow talks about the Smurfs in her backyard getting her. Anyway, I think it's adorable. This says that is the C.E.O. Rapid Wow. It says the serum means business. It combines vitamin C and E plus a blend of antioxidants to fade dark spots, tighten pores, and plump skin. So I will probably give this a try. First though, I bought a couple of little kits of Drunk Elephant products that I'm going to try because everybody loves the Drunk Elephant and I have really sensitive skin, and a lot of the products they use scare people with sensitive skin because they use a lot of vitamin C's, and things that say brightening are always scary for people with sensitive skin. So I'm trying them because I used the Sakari Baby Facial, and although in the moment it made my face crazy red, it was so soft and it calmed right down not too long after. It was great. So I want to try more so that we'll all have an idea of how we're doing with the Drunk Elephant. Anyway, I've gotten off the Birchbox point. Next we have Daily Correct CC Cream SPF 40 in Fair Light. So good for them. They must have checked my profile. Fair Light. True story. And it's by Supergoop. And let's see what it says. It says, the CC Cream is a top seller thanks to its lightweight formula that won't clog pores. Its shade adjusting technology blurs, evens out tone, and protects skin from the sun. It's got an SPF 35 in it. Full size would be $34. Oh, the Sunday Riley full size would be $85. FYI. Well, let's, this is another one of those. Now all I can think of is the Smurfs in the backyard. I think it's Abadabs that says that. Ooh, comes out quickly, but it seems to be pretty full. All right. That is fairer light. That is a true story. I believe it might even be fairer than me. So, it feels pretty good though. For CC cream, it's pretty good coverage. I might get that to blend on my face. I've got that Whish on my hands. Okay. And last but not least, something in a Protectant plastic baggie. What could that be? It is Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I love Stila. It's a nice trial-sized one. Extreme Lash, that sounds promising. Let's see what it says. It says it would be $23 full size, and it says, this inky black mascara lets your lashes go big in every way. One coat leaves major volume, curl, and lots of length. Well, that makes me hopeful. I have a bajillion of these little fellows to try. I'm one of those people that uses mascara for 3 months and then chucks it away because I'm not risking anything bad that could happen with mascaras. And I am finishing up one that I got that was I always say this wrong, Duce, from the FabFitFun add-on in fall, I think. But anyway, when that's done, I figure each one of these is probably good for a month. So I figure I'll try a lot of these little fellows I have and I can report back. Anyway, so we got the Stila Mascara, the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray, the Supergoop CC Cream with an SPF of 35. I hope that you're getting any of this. The Sunday Riley C.E.O. and the Whish Lip Scrub. So that's a pretty good Birchbox. I'm pleased to try it. I will probably try all of these products. So really, what more can you ask for in a subscription box? All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming by. It was a little quick Birchbox one. Please like and subscribe below to see more of my unboxings. People talk about ringing a bell. I don't know. I use an iPad, so I don't seem to have a bell. So ring the bell if there's a bell. Oh, I ain't got a bell. And I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.